Break it? TK?
No, it's body.
Hitting one of these beds.
Yeah, you take a baseball bat. Take a baseball bat to your factory bed. Oh, you actually scared me. I wasn't prepared for that. Take a baseball bat to your factory bed. See how that does.
Yeah.
That. Yeah, that's for real.
Yeah. Yeah. So try that with your factory bed.
Nada. You messed up my good softball bat. You know.
Yeah.
Look at
Yeah.
that.
Put a little flat spot in the bat. Right there is a good one.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
No
Yeah.
half swinging, huh?
No.
Come on, tee off on that thing.
There's a big dent in the side of it.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, right there. Boom.
You whacked it.
Yeah. Watch out, Andrew. It might break off and fly over there. Oh, your hands hurt. Your hands hurt.
Oh, man.
It hurt, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Oh, yeah. No dents.